everybody, somewhat girly here with another unboxing, and today I sound a little bit more chipper because I'm more awake. Today's unboxing is going to be for Stickii Club, the Cute Pact of August 2022. Yes, the Cute Pact. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. So just a reminder, I might just start putting it on the screen so that way I don't have to say it every time. I don't know. Nobody seems to mind. But if you can't remember, I'm visually impaired. So that means that I use my reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details. That just came right off. Alright, I'll give you guys a sneak peek while I go and toss the envelope down by my cat. Which I'm still planning on doing a video for that. If anybody remembers that I was going to do that. Okay, so let us fix it. Okay, no spoilers that I know of. I stopped following some of the Instagrams and whatnot. This is still not right because I didn't want to be spoiled. It's more fun. I don't know. If they would spoil maybe one item, that would be fine. Okay, so let's go. Ooh, our theme sticker's pink. All right, now my turn. Ooh, is this gonna be kitties? Perfect. Perfect. I don't know why I'm having such problems with the camera today. It's not the camera's fault, it's mine. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, not a stamp. What is this? Is this a sticker? We haven't, it is. We haven't gotten anything but stamps. Is it a, it's kind of a hard one. If you know what I mean. Like vinyl or something? Or is it just like a bookmark? I mean, I have no idea what that noise was. No, it feels like just a piece of plastic. I tried for a good solid 2 minutes. The back is papery, so this has got to be a sticker. I just can't get it off. I was hoping like there would be like a break in the back of the thing or something, but it's got to be a sticker. I don't know. Well, anyway. I'm really happy, whatever it is. What'd you get this week? I don't know. Not a clue. Okay, our last thing in the last pocket on the front is a notepad, which we always love notepads. I love notepads. Do you know how many of these I have? So many. Not just from Stickii. Vroom, 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 vroom. All right, let's get a little closer. Oh, look how cute that is. That's me. That's totally me. Well, that's the me I was hoping to grow up to be. Oh, what's that? It says something. Reading list. Aww. I mean, you could use this for whatever you'd like, but at the same time, that's really cute. Like, if you want to write down yourself, like, hey, I want to get this book from the library or something like that. Or if I want to make sure that I download this book, because, you know, some of us use e-readers. Aw, that's really great. I like that. I'm going to put that up there. All right, now, time for the stickers that don't want to come out. And it feels like there's something else. Did we get postcards again? Here, let me zoom back out. Okay. That wasn't very far. Okay, these are all stickers. What? Well, at least 2 that I can feel. Okay, so what do we got here? At first I thought it was a piggy, but it's a cat. Yes, definitely postcards. Oh, I can't wait to send these out. And I do. The last one that we got was a couple of months ago. It was a bunny with sakura / cherry blossom flowers. I sent it to my mom, I think for Mother's Day, actually. These are adorable. I am so glad we got these. Now, did they put on here who made them, or was it just an artist at Stickii? Let's see here. There's stickieclub.com. Oh no, it is an artist from Instagram. All right, I'm trying to hold it back. There you go. Now, if you'd like to see more of their work, you can go to Instagram. Oh, look at that sweet face. That is a sweet, sweet little face. All right. That's awesome, and I love that. I love getting stationery items. All right, now let's move on to the stickers. Okay, so it looks like instead of 8 sticker sheets like we normally get, we've gotten 6 sticker sheets and the 2 cards, which to me, perfectly fine, because I'm going to show it first. At first I was like thinking there was 2 here. Let me zoom out so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. Any more zoom? No, I can't. Okay. So I'll just hold it back here. I thought it was 2. Now normally when they send us washi, which is usually a strip, it's 1 sheet, which was what we got last month. But this one is like a full, I mean, if you wanted to, you can cut them in half and get more. But these, yeah, excuse me, a little burp. They definitely go all the way across. So next, I'm going to zoom in for these so I can see them. Whee! Too far. We're going to back that up a tick. All right. Is that a boombox? The 80s are alive and well. Oh, look at the little witch cat. Oh my god, that's so cute. I like that sticker. Oh, definitely like that sticker. Sticker. Okay. These are cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love these. And here is our branding. Was it branding for the washi tape? Let me see here. Yes, here we go. This is the one who made the stars and sprinkles, who made the washi. Okay. Next sticker sheet. What? Oh, they're cherry blossoms with the cats. Aww. There's me. That's me right there. Right here. That's me. Except for I don't have like a comfy setup like that. Aww. These are so sweet. Oh, there's from the notepad. Skateboarding. This looks like almost like, you know, like another era almost. Cooking, painting. Kitty cat activities. There's our Instagram branding for the artist. That's how I look when I'm vacuuming, with a tree behind me for some reason. Or wait, oh no, that's not a tree. It's a duster. All right. Let's see these. Very pink themed. Well, the cute pack usually is. Can I get this a little brighter? There we go. I hope it's not too bright. Oh, watermelon. Watermelon sugar. Ah. Is that a peach? Kitties with fruit. Love it. Aww. In a flower, just like in that story. Thumbelina. Thumbelina, she's a funny little squirt. You'll have to look that up. Aww. There's the branding. So cute. Alrighty. This sheet's pretty thick. Oh, it's sparkly. So how can I angle this so we can see it? Oh, they're sitting in little boxes. Oh, that's cats belong in boxes. They do. They do. There we go. Kinda, sorta. We get rid of one shine and then we get a completely different one. Oh my god. Juice box. Oh my goodness, these are so adorable. Here we go with their branding, if you can see that. Like the little, whatever this is. It looks like it's going to be a honey pot, but it's probably not. And our last sheet, which looks like it just has simple stickers. Little tiny ones. Almost like you could use them for like little to-do lists or whatnot. Put them at the top, like, I gotta read today. I gotta do my flowers today. Oh boy. I get the brightness and then the focus. then the focus, and then the brightness goes away. You guys can tell me if there's any doubles. Aww. Oh, look, there's a bigger one here. She's cute. They're cute. I don't know if it's she or not. And I don't have to know. They are very cute. And there's the branding. So adorable. Okay. This one is a clear sheet that I nearly missed. And look how adorable. I think it goes along with the weird sticker plastic thing. It almost reminds me of Pusheen a little bit, but it's definitely not Pusheen. Super cute. I love that one. That one's adorable. Here is our Maker's brand, which doesn't seem to want to focus or is just in a position where it won't focus. That's okay. One kitty. Oh, that's a bento. Oh, I miss bentos. Alrighty then. So what do we think? I really enjoyed this month's. I love cats. Really, really love cats. Love the new items. Still gonna figure this out. I'm gonna watch someone else's video and see if they can take the backing off of it, because maybe it's just like my little old lady hands can't do it. I got thin fingernails. You think they'd get under there, but they don't. All right, so I will see you in my next video, and hopefully I will have the same amount of energy. Small tip, I will, because I'm doing it right after this one. So see you later. Bye bye.